Today I'm going to show you how to create multiple brand logos for free with AI in just seconds. If you're an entrepreneur, business, brand, and you would like to leverage AI to work for you, this is the video you need to watch. You ever felt the pain of spending a bunch on logos, struggling to find the right one, and you still don't? If that's ever been a problem for you, then this video is tailor-made for you. But imagine flipping the script. Instead of paying a bunch of money for these logos, people will be paying you a bunch of money for these logos. And with the right tools and a touch of creativity, that dream could be a reality. And even if you're not in the business realm, this tool can serve as inspiration for ideas for your next project. So get ready as I guide you through a step-by-step journey of how to create an AI logo for your business, your brand, or your content, with a few extra tips that I think you guys will like. Let's dive in. Now, the star of our show today, no pun intended, will be none other than Bing AI Creator. And before we jump into action, let's actually break down what this is. So if you watched my other videos, you should be familiar with text to video and image to video. So this functionality is going to be similar, but it's going to be text to image. So you're going to put in text prompts, and then you're going to get images out of whatever you put in. The text to image technology is a part of Bing AI. So simply, it allows you to put in text and get images. In this case, we'll be doing it for logos. So you could go ahead and type in Bing AI in Google or whatever browser you have, and let's get it. Okay, first things first, we need to come up with a killer, ill niche or idea for our brand logo. Something that will represent your brand, but is also powerful and will tell a story of your brand. So I decided to go with an airline. I thought it was a pretty good idea, being that I'm fly, you know. But the airline niche should give us a captivating logo that we could work with. So let's go ahead and create a simple text prompt that can generate us an ill logo. So I'm gonna go with create a airplane logo named Fly. Create. Let's see what it does. And it usually takes about a couple seconds, literally. So, you know, you have about 25 generations per day, I believe. And look at here. Look at here. We have a logo. And I'm really feeling the one on the top right. I think that's the one we're going to roll with. So you could simply click it and download. Open it up. And there you go. Seconds, you have a logo. In seconds. So now that we got the logo set up, let's switch gears real quick. So I got another free tool for y'all. It's called Erase BG. Erase background. So we're going to go ahead and erase the background and make it a transparent type background for this logo. So you could put it on, you know, ebooks, you know, stickers, cards, whatever, business cards, you name it. So once we get to Erase BG, all we have to do is upload a photo that we want to erase the background for and have a transparent logo for. So let's go ahead and upload image. Go to my downloads, Fly logo. And in seconds, it's going to do this. And literally perfect. Literally perfect. So we're going to go ahead and download. Now, just to give you a heads up, Erase BG does have a free option. It only gives one upload per day, so you would have to pay for the rest. So Erase BG is basically an online tool that will erase backgrounds of images in seconds, just a few clicks. Go ahead and download it. So now that we have our transparent logo set up, let's head over to Canva and see how it looks on one of these ebook templates. All right, so we're gonna go to Canva. Let's search for ebook. And let's go with this first one we see here, clouds. This should actually work perfectly for our concept. I'm gonna go to my uploads, upload the file, Fly logo. All right, so you see our file has uploaded. Let's click it and boom, there we go. Look at that. That's, hey, I want to own an airline now, man. That's fly. So that quick, you see what we did. We made a logo, we took the background off, and then added it to an ebook. So that quick, you can leverage AI however you want. Yeah, and I'm just loving how the logo just seamlessly fits with the picture. We did that one, y'all. We did that one. Makes me want to add my other logo that I created earlier to practice. It's like a boat. But you see what we can do here. You see what we can do here in just seconds. And there you have it. That's the power of tools like Canva, EraseBG, and Bing AI. The ability to create professional looking logos has never been easier. It's crazy. And if you would like more insight on AI, go ahead and check my website out. You're bound to find something to spark your interest on there. And remember, the journey does not end here. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, hacks for AI content creation and AI for your daily tasks. Work smarter, not harder. Make your life easy with a breeze.